Hello friends, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. Is it possible to make darkness from the light? By using common sense, it is not possible to make darkness from the light. But if you use the physics, it is possible to make darkness from the light. How? Before that, we can do a small experiment. Okay, then I am taking a light source here. After that, I am introducing a stand. That stand have a small hole. Yeah. Then what will happen? The light ray pass like this. Here is the small hole. Then the light will pass like this. Then after that I am introducing another stand. This stand have two holes. Okay, to string the holes. Then what will happen? The light ray will pass. Here also. We can put a screen here. If you put a screen there, you can see like this. Here in the black is dark region. Okay. The white region is bright. Dark and bright regions. Okay, then we made the darker region by using a light source. This experiment is called Young's double slit experiment. Why he do like this experiment? The Newton believed that light is a particle, but he can't explain the phenomenon behind the interference and also the polarisation of light. Light show a wave nature also. Okay. What is wave? Wave is a propagation of energy through a disturbance. We can discuss about waves, interferences, types of interferences. This is amplitude. This is amplitude. Okay, then I'm extending my wave. This is called what? This is wavelength. We can denote it as lambda. Here also lambda. Okay, then we are going to add two waves. How to add two waves? Here I am taking two waves that have same amplitude and wavelength and all the other properties. Okay. Here is those waves have same phase. We can add the waves. These two waves. Okay. Then superposition of two waves that contain same phase is, we will get a big wave. Okay. This phenomenon is called constructive interference. Here I am taking the wave have opposite in phase. What will we get? Superposition of the waves that have different phases will result nothing, means null. The things will nullify like this. This phenomenon is called destructive interference. The constructive and destructive interferences result the darkness and brightness of Young's double slit experiment. What is the importance of this experiment? During those days, some scientists believed that the light shows particle nature, but some other scientists believed that the light shows wave nature. But right now we know that wave shows dual nature. Dual nature means it shows both particle as well as wave nature. I think that you got today's concept. We can meet another video with another concept. If you like this video, just like the video and share to your friends.